content library helps you organize and repurpose content efficiently. You can create separate libraries for different clients, campaigns, or brands, set custom permissions, and manage everything without clutter. Let's walk you through it. Open the dashboard and navigate to Content, then Library. Here, you'll see all your libraries in one place. To create a new one, click Add New Library. Remember, only owners and admins can create new libraries. A pop-up will open with a default name and emoji. You can rename it, choose your emoji, and most importantly, set access. Give people user-level or role-based access to view or edit libraries. By default, admins and owners have full access. Once done, click on Add Library to view it on the dashboard. You can also assign tags to a library by clicking the three dots. This makes it easy to filter and speed up your search later. Currently, how you are viewing your libraries is in the folder view. You can change it to a list view with just a click. Once your new library is ready, click into it. You can start fresh by manually adding content. Click Add New Content and choose Post or Hashtag. You'll get an editor where you can enter your content, assign tags, and hit Save. If you want to navigate through an existing library, you can go to the search bar to find specific items, apply filters to narrow results by type or tags, or use the sort option to arrange them by last used, most used, or recently created. With tags, you can keep everything categorized by filtering your content, quickly view the grouped ones later. Bulk actions are also built in to help you manage multiple posts in just a few clicks. If you are an editor, you can select multiple items to move, copy, tag, or delete them one go. You can also use the three dots on a content item to take quick actions individually. Importing posts in bulk with a CSV upload, bringing all your content into the content library at once, is hassle-free. From the upload screen, assign each post to the right library and use bulk select to tag or organize them in a single step.
Clean, quick,
Organized. And you can give the right people access to the right content easily. When inviting managers or content schedulers, you can now handpick which libraries they can access. Assign one, many, or none at all. Toggle access anytime without losing your selections. You can also duplicate any library from the three-dot menu. Just confirm, and the copy gets added to the dashboard. The layout is consistent and easier to browse. You can preview content directly from card view before using it. And when you're ready to schedule, click the plus icon to add content directly to your post composer. Instead of one giant drawer of content, you have multiple libraries, filters, and full control to keep everything structured your way, so that every post is always right where it belongs. That's the content library for you.